This is my website here. Rakesh Tech Solutions is my website. I show by live example how to we can upload by XML sitemap. First of all, how to download XML sitemap using my website. See here, the website called xml-sitemaps.com. Any website we can download sitemap using this website. xml-sitemaps.com. Don't call for dash. XML dash, not like that. That's nothing but hyphen. xml-sitemaps.com here. So here, copy this URL. First of all, just paste this URL here. Now, here option call is click for more option. Here, change frequency always. Frequency nothing but mobile or tablet, anything will be there. Desktop like that. Mobile internet. Now here, this is my website along with HTTP and double three direction here. Now click for start. Here, just scanning complete my website here. Now they will be calculated by one. Wait for the minute. So my website, how many page total will be called? 62 pages. Now click here. What the option call is? Download your XML sitemap. See here. File one is download here. They coming to one will be there. Why? Because already one file will be there in my download. I can remove that file here. I'll remove the previous file. I'm clicking for one more time. See here, it's a perfect download here. What is that? Sitemap.xml. So here, this is my website. In a blogger is called default, but in a website that is mainly we can using by the backend, that is called cPanel. We can log in by your details using with your cPanel here. The download file will be there into the download folder. Using with the file manager, the option call is public_HTML. Already existing file will be there here. Look, it's a previous file. Every week we can update by your robot.txt. Why? Because every day page will be increased. Suppose your daily we can update by 10 pages, more than 10 pages, we can update by your robot.txt daily. But daily update, we can update by your robot.txt here. Now click for upload. Select file in your desktop. Download folder. Sitemap.xml. Now before that, please check this option. Right click, edit with Notepad++. Why? Because why you are using by Notepad++ is the XML file. Now, look here. These are my links or not? Look. These all links will be my website links. Total how many links are there? 62 links will be there here. Now, just minimize. Click for open. This call to replace. Why? My old file will be there. Now you can replace the file. Is clear? After that, we open for the google.com/webmasters. Once upload done your website, we can update by where? XML site we can update by the Google Webmasters. Just I'm logging your Google Webmaster. Just I'm taking my website. So now how many links are there? 62. Previous how many links are there? 27 only. Out of 27, how many links will be indexed? Only 14 links will be indexed. Now I'm updating for new sitemaps. Sitemap.xml. First text. How many links will be there? Now check. Now how many? So download time and this time anything change? No. So previous how many links are there? This is done by when? February 3rd. Now what is the date? February 5th. In the 2 days, I can change by how many links? Up to 62 links. Now previous 27. Now it will be now 62 links. Now click here and click for submit. Submit process is called sitemap.xml. Now click for submit. Now click for refresh. Done. Previous 27. Now will be 62. Now we'll check. This is my website .com/sitemap.xml. See, what's the date here? Today date. Now check. Every date will be called today, February 5th, 2018. Look here. See, anything change? This code total for 62 links. You can check by your website using with the XML sitemap. Any website we can download using with the XML sitemap. But the website we can download only for free of cost. They download by 500 only, 500 links only. After that we can add by manual. Otherwise we can give by developer. They give the extension code will be added by your developing code. They can automatically add by your XML sitemap files on your folder. This is called, you can download your XML sitemap on your website. You can upload into your backend for cPanel, update by your Google webmasters. So previous I'm checking by the webmaster. Now here I'm going to Google. Same thing I'm checking by using with google.com. Site colon. You can using this here. Just not going adding this option here. Now check. How many are there? They're showing by 72. They're showing by backup page also. Sitemap they're showing the only for front end page. The remaining 10 page will be showing by the backend page also. The page we can block using by what's that? The social icons, extension, everything gone by using with your site colon Rakesh Tech Solutions.com here. This is all showing by extension also here. And deleted files also. Suppose your storage will be there and cPanel. They're showing by your using with the site colon dot Rakesh Tech Solution.com here. So 2 ways you are checking by your web pages count. For understand by indexing process. That is called we can update by XML sitemap.